Hello and welcome, I'm Carl the Landscape Guy. 3 years ago I built this pondless stream. You can find a detailed video on my channel. Thank you very much for the many nice comments on this video. I was very pleased that this video seems to have inspired and motivated many people. Today I would like to show how the stream has developed and address some questions and comments. And the stream has developed very well since it was completed. The plants have mostly grown well and are now starting to cover the stones more and more with greenery. That's exactly how it should be, otherwise the stream would look more like a pile of rocks. The good thing is that you can plant more or fewer plants as you wish, or add them later. The focus of this project was to make the stream easy to maintain, therefore no aquatic plants were installed. These often grow excessively and can quickly clog the stream and cause nutrient input. The resulting increased maintenance can be avoided if plants are only planted outside of the water. And so, for example, the thyme has taken its place well here. The dwarf fountain grass has also established itself well here. The water is still very clear. Most of the water in this cycle is in the water reservoir without exposure to sunlight. This means that there is only a small risk of floating algae. The body of water also does not heat up as much when the sun is out, which also counteracts evaporation. This stream has very low evaporation, and so the reservoir only needs to be refilled a few times a year. However, you should make sure that the box is full to the top, especially in winter. This means that the pump, which is located deep in the water, is better protected from ice. I glued the stones in the area of the weirs with landscaping foam. The foam still serves its purpose very well. It is now completely invisible because moss has settled very nicely in the joints. This project required a total of only 4 cans of foam. Be careful when using foam, however, as it is toxic until the polyurethane hardens. This artificial material is a reliable way to ensure that the water does not disappear under the rocks of dams. Anyone who has ever built a stream themselves will know this problem. In my experience, concrete or clay are not suitable to use instead of foam. However, PU foam should be used sparingly, and foam residue should be disposed of properly. A stream that has been created is and will always remain an artificial creation, no matter how natural it may appear. For the staging at dusk, I installed waterproof LEDs with twilight switches. The light accents highlight the natural aspects of the stream in the dark. This means that the customer can enjoy the stream and the garden more, especially during cozy barbecue evenings or in the winter season. This is another reason why the stream should be located, so that it is visible not only from the terrace, but perhaps also from the living room window or the kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't, make sure you check out the video about building the stream. How do you like the stream? Please leave me a comment and subscribe. That supports this channel so that I can continue to put out content. Thank you and see you next time. Your Carl the Landscape Guy.